Another day and I'm back with another new video. Today in the house we have some new smartwatches from Noise. This is their all new Noisefit Evolve 4 just launched yesterday in the Indian market, and we have two variants over here. One is your regular silicone strap edition and this one is your elite metal strap edition. Today in this video I'll unbox them, give you a side by side comparison as to which one to go for. You'll get a better idea. Plus it'll be like a full review as well. Very interesting features also. You're getting a 1.46-inch high resolution AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling support is there, fully functional digital crown is available, and Noise has also added some new features like SOS calling, one tap rapid health measurement, and lots of other features. We'll talk about all of them in this video. And also, to make this video more interesting, I will actually give away one of these items to a lucky subscriber on the channel, and all you need to do is hit the like button on this video, and once this video crosses 2000 likes, I'll select a random winner in the comment section and give this smartwatch to him as a gift. In future I've also planned a lot of interesting videos and concepts for you people, and I want to do a lot for my audience, but unfortunately we are not that big channel yet. But if you guys keep supporting me, share your love, share my videos with everybody, and if we are progressing, we will definitely plan interesting items on our channel. So that's it. This is what I wanted to share. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Our brand new Noisefit Evolve 4 came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, we have both the editions in the house today. The regular edition and the elite edition is also there. Regular edition comes with a silicone strap and the elite edition comes with a beautiful metal strap, guys. So we'll be unboxing both of these and I'll show you a side by side comparison as well. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the box packaging. Similar packaging just like any other Noise smartwatch. You have main highlights mentioned on the front side, and there you go. As soon as you open it, at the top we have our smartwatch along with some accessories and paperwork. Make sure to read them. And boy, oh boy, look at this beautiful looking watch in this metallic black strap. Along with that, you're also getting a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging, and a strap adjustment tool is also included in the package, guys. This one is exclusive only to the elite edition, so keep that in mind. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the box packaging. Now let me show you how the smartwatch looks like. There you go. We have both the editions, silicone strap edition on the left and metal strap edition on the right side. First, let me show you the silicone strap edition, guys. Initial impressions, this model actually looks kind of sporty, I would say. Very nice quality straps. Soft, flexible, and also durable. And good thing is, to match up with the straps, even the body on this smartwatch has a slight blue tint to it. I'm not sure if you can see in the video, let me know. And this is how the smartwatch looks like once you put it on the wrist. As I've told you guys, this one gives you a sporty sort of vibe. Keeping that aside, now let me show you the elite metal strap edition. Now this definitely looks quite premium, definitely justifies the extra money that you're spending on it, and is actually a bit more heavier than the sporty one, obviously because you're getting a full metal strap over here, na. Anyways, this is how the strap buckle opens up. Pretty much similar design just like how we saw on their previous model metal, I believe. Very good quality and definitely looks quite premium when you're actually wearing it. Both the editions are pretty nice, but to be honest, I really like the elite edition. Which one did you guys like? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now moving on, let's talk about the design and build quality. As I've told you, Noisefit Evolve 4 features a large 1.46-inch round AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, and build quality of the watch is also very good. Look at this bezel over here. You're getting a geared sort of design, and entire body is made of metal, guys. Premium metallic finish. Look at the whole chassis finishing, glossy look, and brushed metallic sort of finish. You're getting two buttons. One is a fully functional digital crown at the top side, and the bottom one I believe is your custom button, maybe set for workouts or any sort of shortcut. And not to miss out, the watch is also IP68 dust and water resistant as well. Here's how the bottom profile looks like. You've got your HR sensor, noise branding, and charging contacts as well. And good thing is the strap on it is also replaceable. You can even remove this metal strap and put on your favorite, even apply silicone strap also. Who's stopping you? It's all up to you. Fully customizable and flexible. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the smartwatch, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. Watch is all set up and I've been using it for quite some time, so I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback in this video. Make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let me tell you about the display. As I've told you, Noisefit Evolve 4 features a large 1.46-inch round AMOLED display. And main thing is, yes, you're also getting always on display. Here's how it looks like. It's also customizable. You have two watch faces, digital and analog edition. It's up to you. And yes, you're also getting raise to wake function as well, and it was working pretty well during my use. usage. Anyways, here's how the display looks like. Beautiful looking display. Now come on, it's an AMOLED display, that to a high-res model. You're getting 466 by 466 resolution and everything looks crisp and clear, guys. Even the bezels are also very minimum over here. Definitely justifies a premium price tag. There's good amount of detail, colors are also rich and vivid, and viewing angles are also great. And look at the contrast and black levels, guys. Very beautiful looking display for this price point. Even the brightness is also quite satisfactory. Anyways, here's how the home screen looks like. Now coming to the software details, it runs pretty much the same software and UI that you would have seen on the recent Noise smartwatches. You can easily change the watch face by long touching on the home screen. By default, you're only getting like 3 watch faces that are pre-installed on this smartwatch, but not to worry, you can download 100 plus customizable watch faces easily from Noisefit compatible app. Swiping down on the home screen gives you access to your notifications area. Here you can check out all the notifications that you've received from your connected smartphone via Bluetooth, and swiping up on the home screen gives you your quick access shortcut. Here it shows you a lot of information like the current battery level of the watch, Bluetooth connection status, and also some toggles as well, quick access shortcuts. Swiping left or right on the home screen gives you access to your quick access widgets. Plenty of widgets are there, and yes, these are also customizable. A direct 24/7 HR measurement, stress level measurement, and this last page is your overview on all the widgets at a glance. So that was about the home screen and customizability. And if you want to access like the complete list of apps, right, you can easily do that by pressing this crown at the top side, and there you go. Here's how the list style view looks like. Almost every app and function is available that you would want on a smartwatch. This is called as Noise Health Suite. Complete Health Suite package is available, and Noise Bus is your Bluetooth calling feature. The watch literally has on-board microphone and built-in speaker as well, so you can literally dial in any number and talk to that person directly from the smartwatch, guys. You don't even need to take out your phone. I'll give you a demo of this at a later part in the video. Moving on, in the clock section, you have your alarms, timer, stopwatch is also there, world clock feature is also there, including Pomodoro tracker, and this one is a new feature called as rapid health, one tap measurement for all your health related functions, guys. And moving on, you've got your workout section. Evolve 4 supports like 100 plus sport activity tracking, and these are your favorite ones. You can easily customize which activity you want from the compatible app, guys, so that will only reflect in this app on the smartwatch. Apart from that, you've got all your regular features like remote music control is available, weather data, calculator is also included for all the math nerds. So yes, this feature is available on this model, but looks like unfortunately this time there are no games built in. I mean, it's a premium smartwatch, right? I would have expected Flappy Bird and these sort of games for time pass, but looks like it is not there. Maybe in some future update, I'm not sure though. But Noise, if you guys are watching this video, try to add that as a firmware update. Anyways, lastly, you have your settings. Settings is pretty much basic, guys. You can adjust the brightness, AOD features, raise to wake function, and screen on time. And not to miss out, you're also getting some ringtone vibration settings as well. So that is pretty much it. Our complete overview on the built-in apps, UI, and also features. And talking about the performance was also pretty nice. Opening and closing of apps, everything was snappy, but frame rate could have been slightly a bit more higher. I'm not sure if it is really 60 Hz, but again, I think for the price point, it was doing a good job. Moving on, let me tell you about the health related features. As I've told you, I've been using this model for the last couple of days, and overall health related functions were working very well. I've tested HR measurement, stress level measurement, and blood oxygen SpO2 as well. All of these features were working well and giving accurate results almost 90-95% of the time. I know you people are waiting for this part, so let me share you my experience with the Bluetooth calling on this model. I've told you, right, Evolve 4 features a built-in microphone and also a speaker as well. And yes, once you connect this to your smartphone via Bluetooth and compatible app, you can easily do Bluetooth calling on the go even without taking out your phone from the pocket. Here's how the whole app layout looks like. Yes, you're also getting favorite shortcuts as well. You can add up to like 10 favorite shortcuts for one tap calling to those persons. And apart from that, you're also getting a dial-up pad. You can easily dial in any number and talk to that person from the smartwatch. Quality of the speaker was nice. Speaker was actually loud and clear. I could easily understand what the other person was speaking, especially during indoor sort of situations. Again, if you're using the smartwatch in outdoors, you might need to bring the watch very close to your ear because there might be a lot of disturbances in the surroundings, right? So it is almost the case with any smartwatch, Bluetooth calling smartwatch right now in the market. And microphone quality was also nice. Other person could clearly hear what I was saying and had no issues, guys. Overall, good Bluetooth calling experience on the Evolve 4.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ ఉపయోగంలో లేదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The dialed number does not exist. Please check the number you have dialed. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर उपयोग में नहीं है.
We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. Again, just like any other Bluetooth calling noise smartwatch, battery life is pretty much same over here, guys. Kind of mediocre, I would say, and totally depends on your usage as well. For example, if you're using this as a regular smartwatch from time to time health measurement and step tracking, fitness related stuff, you can expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life. But no, if you're like a heavy Bluetooth calling user, you use Bluetooth calling feature a lot, like almost daily 10-15 times, right? Battery life is going to be a bit limited and you'll get a max of 1.5 to 2 days of battery life. So these are the kind of results I was getting during my usage. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Noisefit Evolve 4. Beautiful looking smartwatch, and especially like this elite black metal strap edition, guys. Very premium, I would say. You're getting a beautiful large 1.46-inch round AMOLED 60Hz display, that too with AOD feature added, and it's also IP68 rated. You're getting some exclusive features like SOS calling is also there, one tap rapid health measurement, Bluetooth calling is also there, and fully functional digital crown. Only few things I was missing, as I've told you during the review, right? There are no built-in games, I'm not sure how they missed it, and kind of mediocre battery life, guys. But apart from that, everything else was nice. Pricing again depends on the model you're going for. Regular model costs around 3,999 and this elite edition costs around 4,999 rupees. Links for them will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got full information about the product. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.